Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another tutorial for you guys. Today I created something super different. It's really soft and unique, and I absolutely love this brown liner. I think that it's gonna look beautiful on all different types of eyes, but if you have brown eyes, for some reason brown liner just makes them pop so nicely. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this and all of the products that I used, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing, as usual, I'm priming my eyelids, and I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm just priming my eyes, and then I'm going to be going into my Huda Beauty new Nude palette. And I'm also going to be using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, so I'll show you guys that later on when I decide to use it. But first thing I'm doing is going into this light mauve shade, and I'm just buffing this into my crease, going in circular motions and just kind of going with the natural curve of my crease and just really popping this right smack in the center. And then I'm going to be going into a fluffier brush, and I'm going to be going into my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. This is the neon pink one. And I'm going into this light blush shade on the top corner with this big fluffy Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. And I absolutely love this just to help me diffuse everything even more in the crease. It's the perfect brush that'll just blend everything out. So I'm just kind of getting those corners and just really nicely just blending everything out and making sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I'm going to be going into my angled brush from Colourpop, and I'm going to be going back into my Huda Beauty new Nude palette, and I'm going to be going into the dark purple shade called Love Bite, and I'm just going to start to add a line of definition, and I'm just going to start to add some depth in my crease. So I'm just kind of applying this right in the center, and I'm not bringing it all the way in or out on the inner and outer corner. I'm just kind of focusing this right in the center, and as you can see, when you have your eye open, it's a lot easier to draw that line, but I do it so often that I know exactly where to apply it. But if you don't, you can apply that line with your eye open. And then I'm going into this small tapered brush and that light mauve shade, and I'm just going to be going in left and right motions, and we're just going to be diffusing this line, just making it less prominent and just diffusing it. And then I'm going into this smaller tapered brush from the Jaclyn X Morphe brush collection, and we're just going to be applying this a little bit closer to that line, just kind of giving us a little bit more of a gradient. And I personally like the look of a defined crease, so I like to keep that line kind of visible still. But if you don't like to have any definition or sharpness in your crease, then you can just totally blend it out if you want to. And then I'm going into this small angled brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and I just carved the center half of my lid. And then I'm going into that light bone shade in the palette, and I'm just kind of setting that concealer because we are going to be doing we're going to be adding some shades, some matte shades to the inner and outer corner, so I wanted it to all be set in place so that nothing budged. So I went back into that light blush shade in the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palettes, and I'm just kind of feathering that inward and just hitting that inner and outer corner. Super easy. It doesn't require a lot of work because it's a light shade. It's super easy to work with. And then I'm going into this cream shadow called in the shade Extra Baggage, I believe, by Dose of Colors, and it's so amazing, especially for liner. So all I did was I picked up this really small angled eyeliner brush from Colourpop, and I just drew it on super easy, and I let it dry down all the way before applying lashes just so that it didn't budge at all, and it really didn't. And I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. If you guys want to check those out, link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm just going into that blush shade and just applying that onto my lower lashes. And all of our lashes are almost out of stock, you guys, so if you want to get your hands on them, definitely check them out right now and get them as quick as you can. And then for mascara, I just grabbed my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, and I just coated my lower lashes. And then I just grabbed my Pixie Beauty highlight in the shade Subtle Sunrise, and I just popped that onto my inner corner. And yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below. If you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, it is US only right now. So if you guys want to enter and you're in the US, just go ahead and do all those steps that I just said. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!